Have you ever wondered how materials are selected for new products? It is an intricate process that requires careful consideration and planning. Material selection is more than a simple choice. It's a pivotal part of product design that can greatly influence the end result. Imagine designing a new chair. You wouldn't just pick any material, would you? You'd need to think about who's going to use it, where it will be placed, and what kind of stress it will endure. Then, there's the aesthetic aspect. How should it look? What vibe should it give off? Let's not forget about cost. The most durable, beautiful material might be prohibitively expensive. And then there's the environment. We must consider the impact of our choices on our planet. Material selection is not just about choosing what looks good or what is cheapest, but about finding a balance between multiple factors. Selecting the right material for a product is a step-by-step process that starts with understanding the product's requirements. The first step in material selection is identifying the product's requirements. This means understanding what the product is designed to do and the conditions it will be exposed to. For instance, a smartphone casing might need to be lightweight, durable, and resistant to heat and scratches. Next, we dive into the research phase. This involves exploring potential materials that could meet the product's requirements. Using our smartphone casing example, possible materials could range from plastics, metals, to composites. This stage can be like navigating through a maze. There's a wide range of materials out there, each with their own unique properties and characteristics. After we've researched potential materials, it's time for evaluation. Here we assess each material based on the product's requirements. We consider factors like strength, durability, cost, and availability. For our smartphone casing, we might find that while metals are strong and durable, they might be too heavy or expensive. On the other hand, plastics might meet the weight and cost requirements but may lack the desired durability. Once we've evaluated all the potential materials, we're ready to make a decision. This decision isn't just about picking the best material, it's about choosing the most suitable one. The most suitable material is the one that balances the product's requirements with practical considerations like cost and availability. In our example, a composite material might be the most suitable choice for the smartphone casing, offering a good balance between strength, weight, durability, cost, and aesthetic appeal. Remember, material selection is a dynamic process. As new materials are developed and existing ones are improved, we must be ready to revisit and revise our decisions. This ensures that our products remain competitive and relevant in the rapidly evolving marketplace. By following these steps, product designers can ensure they select the most suitable material for their product. While the steps in material selection are important, it's the factors considered in each step that truly make the difference. Imagine you're crafting a masterful symphony, and the materials you select are your instruments. Each one has to hit the right note to create a harmonious end product. So let's delve into the key factors that influence material selection. First off, we have the material's properties. Is it strong enough for the task? Will it withstand the wear and tear of time? Or maybe it needs to be flexible or resistant to heat. Each material has its own set of properties, and understanding these is crucial in selecting the right one for the job. Next, we have cost. As much as we might love to craft everything out of gold, it's simply not feasible. We need to balance the material's properties with its cost, ensuring we're getting the best bang for our buck. Then there's availability. It's no good choosing a material that's perfect in every way if it's not readily available. We need to consider the supply chain and whether we can source the material in the quantities needed and when needed. Finally, we have the environmental impact. In today's world, it's imperative that we consider the life cycle of our materials, from extraction to disposal. We need to think about the carbon footprint of our choices and strive for sustainability in our designs. These factors, when carefully considered, guide designers in making the best material choice for their product. Material selection is a pivotal part of product design, influencing not just how a product looks and feels, but also how it performs and its impact on the environment. We've walked through the steps, defining the problem, identifying material requirements, and evaluating options. We've also explored key factors like durability, cost, and sustainability. Next time you pick up a product, take a moment to appreciate the careful thought and planning that went into selecting its material. It's a complex process, but one that defines the very essence of the product.